morning everybody, welcome back to the video. Today it's time to go from Sydney all the way to Cairns, which is more in the northern part of Australia, northeast. And we're going there to a hostel which is called Travelers Oasis, which is really nice. From here we're about to rent a camper van with which we will drive a beautiful route through the beautiful nature around Cairns. We will see Cape Tribulation, we will see Kuranda and some more beautiful places. So stay tuned for that. But first, we are about to make some dinner because it has been a very long day. It's already dark outside, as you can see. They have something really crazy. They have outdoor showers, which is amazing. I really love those. Good morning everybody! Look at where we are. This is on our way to the camper van pickup. Here it is, our camper van for the next week or so. And we did a full inspection to see if anything is wrong. Of course there are a lot of things, but they know those things. So when we drop off the camper van again, they won't charge us for the damages that are already there. Which makes sense, of course. So let's go and drive through the beautiful nature because we cannot wait. We have no idea what to expect for the next few days, but we know it will be awesome. So let's go. The camper van is a little bit tricky because if I hold the steering wheel straight, the camper van goes to the left. So I have to keep it a little bit sideways, which was really uncomfortable in the beginning, but eventually I got the hang of it. We spotted some animals, and also you cannot swim in the sea because there are crocodiles there. So that's crazy. I've never even come close to any of those animals. So a completely new adventure, but a beautiful adventure. And then it's time to cross the river. Alright, and here we are. There are a lot of roadworks ahead because the road is horrible, it's terrible. As you can see, it's sketchy, it's a little bit dangerous even. It was a little bit scary sometimes, but we managed, we are safe and we enjoyed it so much. We also saw a snake on the road, which is at least my first snake I've ever seen in the wild. Didn't catch it on camera though. Good morning everybody! We're driving today to a special place in the jungle where the rainforest meets where the jungle meets the Great Barrier Reef. It's it's an amazing place. It's like a 4-minute drive. We're almost there, and we will show you. But look at this. Look at the road where we're driving. It's beautiful. It's a jungle. It's crazy. Hard to describe how it feels. Okay, we arrived on the place. We're walking to the beach right now. Okay, let's go to the lookout. Okay. You can already hear the birds, the water, the sea. As we walk through the jungle. Little animals right here. I think normally this is, in the rain season, there will be water here as well. And then we finally made it to the viewpoint, and I can say it was not what we expected. It actually didn't look really nice, but it's all good. Yes, let's go back to the beach. Guess we have to be careful. Crocodile warning as well. We are on the ferry again, and we are on our way to something very exciting because we are going to a crocodile tour. But we will arrive in the next video, so if you all enjoyed this video, please drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you all in the next one.